Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to whip up a stunning photo collage in minutes. Click the Create button, then select Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels as your dimensions. Next, navigate to the Elements tab and use the search bar to find specific design elements for your project. Type Photo in the search bar to find photo options. Browse through the available photos and select the one you want to use. Click on a photo to add it to your project. You can search for different photos at any time to update or change your selection quickly and easily within the editor. To use sample frames, click on the Frames tab in the top menu. Select the style you want from the available options. Click your chosen frame to apply to your project or design instantly. You can rotate this object at another frame by selecting it, then adjusting the rotation value in the timeline editor. Select the existing item you want to update. Next, click the Add button to include an additional entry. Enter the details for your new item in the provided fields. Make sure all required information is filled out correctly. Once you've entered the necessary details, review your input for accuracy. If everything looks good, press Save to finalize the addition. The new item will now appear alongside the original in your list. Repeat these steps as needed to keep adding more items to your collection. To view your images and photos, start by opening the app and navigating to the main menu. Select the Library option from the sidebar to access all your stored images and photos in one organized place. You can scroll through your collection, select individual images to view them in detail, or use the search feature to quickly find a specific photo in your library. Next, select the background color for your project. Click on the color palette icon, then browse through the available color options. Choose the color you want to use and it will automatically apply to the background. Continue customizing as needed for your specific design. When you finish editing your project, click the Share button. Then, select the Download option. Choose whether you want to save your file as a PNG image or as a PDF, or select Print to get a hard copy. You just learned how to make a photo collage in Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more tips.